มัสก์พูดคุยเกี่ยวกับความยากลำบากของการเป็นผู้ประกอบการและการควบคุมที่มากเกินไปอีลอน มัสก์ได้พูดที่การประชุมลีกซึ่งจัดโดยรองนายกรัฐมนตรีของอิตาลีมาเตโอ ซัลวินี
Ti è mai venuta voglia in questi anni di mollare, di dire non ce la faccio, di dire mi faccio da parte, di dire è più grande di me? È un messaggio che può valere per un imprenditore come per un politico nei momenti di difficoltà. Ti è mai venuta questa voglia di mollare tutto, di mandare al diavolo tutti e con quello che hai costruito di dire andate avanti voi, io mi faccio la mia vita?
Well, I think starting a company, building a company is like staring glass and it's like eating glass and staring into the abyss. It's very painful and difficult. If you need encouragement for starting a company, I recommend that you do not start a company. That said, the regulations in Europe is overregulated. There are too many rules and regulations that make it very difficult to create a company. And do too much to protect large companies at the expense of small to medium-sized companies. So the net result is you have a bunch of very small companies in Europe, and then a small number of very large companies, but then not much in the middle. So there needs to be a way to go from being a small company, if you're making great products and services, to be able to scale to ultimately become a big company. But you have effectively regulatory capture by the large corporations in Europe. They don't really want to reduce the regulatory burden, and they like the fact that the regulations effectively protect their duopolies or monopolies in some cases. So really, I think it's up to the government to say, no, we have to foster small companies and allow them to compete and reduce regulations. Because the regulatory situation in Europe is stifling, and Brussels is amplifying that greatly. So you have both the local regulations, the country regulations, and then you have the EU regulations. There's so many regulations in Europe. It makes it extremely difficult to start a company and be successful. So I think radical deregulation is necessary in Europe. And if that means leaving the EU, it means leaving the EU.